Okay, so what we're looking at here is a weird situation. The starter clutch on my 450R started to mess up. So we replaced the starter clutch, and then somehow the other, when the clutch basket was going back on, that splined shaft there, something got bound up. I know there's some needle bearings under there, and it is stuck on. It should just slide right off, and this does not slide off. Something has really got it bound up. So I've gotten this puller, and I'm going to attempt to pull this off, hoping that it does not break anything. So I looked and looked and looked, and I could only find this kind of problem in a forum. And so one guy was talking about it. Someone said you may have to try this method. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Hopefully it works. So let's see what happens here. Something just gave. What I hope is happening, I hope that the basket is coming off and it's not pushing that shaft into the motor. That's what I hope is not happening. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what's happening right now. It's kind of weird. Not sure what that popping noise is. My concern is it doesn't really look, oh, it's moving. I guess it's got to come off there one way or another. Something's got to go. Something's got to give, I guess. Hope it's nothing bad. Man, it's like, this is crazy. There. It really didn't go that time. Something is in between those splines. I would guess that needle bearing exploded at some measure. Weird thing is, this happened upon putting it on by hand. This did not happen after putting it on and starting the engine. That's why I'm so confused. Okay. Oh! That didn't sound good. I don't know what that popping noise was. We're about to find out. Oh, brother. Let's see. Let's get this off of here. Don't lose that. Lose that. We don't want to lose that. We don't want to lose that. This is crazy. Crazy because nothing appears to be messed up. That's really weird. Well, I don't know. Wish I had a better answer for it, for if this happens to you, but you definitely, and I don't know if you can see inside there. Let me see what the camera's showing. I don't know if you can see those splines in there are boogered up a little bit as if something was in there, but what was in there is beyond me. Nothing fell out. It's weird. These needle bearings. Fine, let's take these off and see if something. There's nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with that at all. Bushing's fine. That works. Well, I don't know, folks. At least it's off. Okay, so this is the puller that I used. It is a 7-ton, 5-inch reach, 7-inch diameter. It worked great for getting behind the back side of this and pulling. And as you can see now, this spins. Before it would not spin. It'll slide off. I need to take it off. This part will slide off. Everything works smoothly. Don't know how that got bound up to where that wouldn't come off, but if you have this issue, go to AutoZone. I think this was $130. You basically purchase it and then go back and get your money back when you're done using it. But it worked great, and hopefully if you're having this kind of issue, regardless of what kind of ATV you have, different brands, I suppose this could happen to anything. Just get that puller and it should help you. So now I just got to get this back together and get it running. Thanks for watching.